Hi, it's lovely to be back here in Old Coulsdon to look at one of our finished projects. This is Hakan, the client. Hello, Hakan.
Hi, Lynn.
Lovely to see you again. Lovely to see you again, buddy. This property here is a hip to gable rear dormer. If you'd like to come inside and you can see the space we created.
What can I say? I was over the moon. Me and my wife had a vision. We expected something. It was just not used. It was just a place which was dumping suitcases and boxes. We was always talking about having a room. It's just the problem was you just couldn't picture it. You just didn't know the size. And that was our concern about when we came to you and had the interview with Ricky, and we was discussing it with Ricky and saying like, well, really we want to make sure that it's a double bedroom. If we could have an ensuite, it'd be great. Now we have more than what we expected. And I call it the penthouse of the house, really. I'll be honest with you. I can't hear the kids in a good way, and the kids can't really hear us. It's airy. I don't find it hot. Just over the moon with what we have at the end of the project. We could not expect how much space. And the ensuite is so perfect for us. The views from the downs, from our back garden, the light. Like I said, Lee, I was over the moon with everything LMB Group has done for the aftercare, the communication, the project management. The big difference is this: when you have a loft built, everything is on the outside, so you don't see the workmen in your house. They're literally outside the whole time, and the only time they tap into the home, the shell's already on. So it was amazing to see the project move on through the period of time, and it was a quick period of time really, without the interference in the family life, and that was amazing. Get.